Hi reception. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about sharing. So last week, or maybe the week before, I showed you how to do sharing with some cups and some cubes. But today I'm going to show you how to do some sharing by drawing pictures to help you solve the problem. So tell your grown-up, what is sharing? Can you remember? So sharing is when we have lots of things. Maybe we might have lots of cubes or lots of cakes or lots of food, and we have two or more people and we need to make sure they have the same each. So we share what we have and make sure everybody has the same. That's really important when we do sharing, to make sure everybody has the same. Otherwise it's not equal. So I'm going to show you how to solve some sharing problems by drawing some pictures. So the first question we're going to look at together is, if there are 2 people and 10 cakes, how many cakes will they get each? If there are 2 people and there are 10 cakes, how many cakes will they get each? So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my 2 people. Can you see my 2 people? And then I need to draw my 10 cakes. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've drawn my cakes like circles to make it quicker and a bit easier for me, but you can draw your cakes however you like. So now we need to share our cakes between our 2 people. So 1 cake for the first person, and I need to cross off. 1 cake for the second person, and I need to cross it off. Very important that we cross off as we go, otherwise we might forget and accidentally give them too many cakes. Okay, once you've shared your cakes out between the people, once you've crossed them all off, you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first person has 5, and the second person has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I have 10 cakes and I share them between 2 people, I have 5 each, or they have 5 each. So 10 cakes shared between 2 people is 5. Okay, let's get ready for another one. This time I have 3 people, so I need to draw 3 people. There's my 3 people. So this time I have 3 people and I have 12 cakes. So are you ready to count as I draw the 12 cakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's share them out. Okay, I've shared them out between my people. Let's count how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first person has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second person has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third person has 4. So that means they all have the same. So 12 cakes shared between 3 people means they have 4 each. So 12 cakes shared between 3 people means they have 4 each. Okay, as your challenge, I would like you to come up with your own questions, and maybe grown-ups, you could help a little bit to see if the children could remember to use the share sign.